Okay, in the last section of today's class, we bring you a binary operation in the form of table. When the questions are given to us, this is how the questions are given to us. They'll give you a binary operation is defined on the set what T of, that is set T, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sometimes they give you a set of different numbers. By mine is what 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or few numbers by Q star R is equal to Q plus 2R minus what QR. And they ask you to show whether or not the operation is what either closed or what commutative. So you determine whether the operation is what closed or commutative. Somebody will ask, in the initial ones we were doing, we were only using the operation Q and R. So with this, what is the set T coming to do here? What we use this set to do is that we use this set T to form a table to what to use it to simplify these equations. Then we use to what fill the table. So let's go on and see how we do that. So with that, we take the set T of row numbers. The operation comes here, and the operation is what triangle. So the operation comes here first. So the set T 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will be this way. That okay. So what we do is that in doing so, we take this operation as we have here Q operation R is equal to Q plus 2R minus QR. So what we do is that when we come to take any two pair in this equation, we fill it into this thing. Like we take one operation 1, that is one operation 1, then we compare it to this one. So anywhere I see Q is 1, anywhere I see what R is also what 1, then I compare. So Q1 plus 2 into bracket R is also what 1 minus, then the minus sign can Q is also what 1, then R is also what 1, and we put it there like that. So then we what evaluate, and after evaluation you get to know that this will be 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 times 1 is what 1. Negative, positive cancels negative, leaving our answer with what 2. So then we come and fill here with what 2. Then we still continue, we still take another one star 2. So we take one operation 2, so that is 1 triangle what 2, and that is what Q is what 1, R is what 2. So it is 1 plus 2 into bracket 2 minus 1 times what 2. So this will give us 1 plus 2 times 2 giving us 4 minus 2 times 1 giving us what 2. So this from this gives us 5 minus 2, and that gives us what 3. Then we fill in with what the 3 also here. Then you also come and take what 1 and what 3. So upon taking 1 and 3, you also do the same thing to 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. So in this case, Q is what 1, R is what 3. So we fill it with it. So 1 plus 2 into bracket R is 3. So I put the 3 minus Q is 1, R is what 3. Then I do the simplification. Here becomes 1 plus 2. Then here becomes 2 times 3 6 minus 1 times 3 is 3. So upon simplification, you get to know that this will give us 7 minus 3, and that is what 4. So with 4 units, so you will